Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid Touring. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter hybrid engine. Has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust in the back with rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails, a nice looking rim on this vehicle with the nice black and silver accents. We do get a lovely remote start, perfect for the cold winter months, with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, they are heated mirrors as well, and move to the front park sensing, block heater, and that nice Honda grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get the lovely powered liftgate, opening right there by the driver's side, which provides you tons of storage. Got a cargo mat as well, side cargo holes, or cubby holes with hooks and doodads. You got lights, 12 volt, all that jazz. You can put a little cargo tunnel cover up here if you have it, and can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your normal storage below. And to close your liftgate, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look at the back here, we can see here that we do get a 90-degree door, which allows you to have easier access to put car seats in and out of the vehicle. Nice black perforated leathering with yellow stitching, heated middle seats, so you got the heated seats there, and on the other side, middle one gets nothing, sorry. Plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, you got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can slide this out for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, liftgate traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 44,943 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, you got paddle shifters as well, with playback by forward, volume, home, toggle-free screen, voice. You got a digital speedometer here, all that jazz, heated steering wheel here, you got your gear select, drive modes, hill, parking brake, brake hold storage, and more storage here with upper and lower storage. Pretty handy. Wireless charging. You can turn it on or off depending on your needs. More storage, outlets, climate controls with dual climate up front, heated front seats, hazards. Got these nice vents where you can adjust them like that. Storage below, and we got a nice features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And our nice little infotainment system here. We're going to take our look home real quick. Got your apps, we're going to look through them. And all your installers, all that jazz. You got navigation on this beauty as well. It's going to take a little sec to load. You got your phone, AM, FM radio, zoom in and out. Pretty easy to use. With this model, it can show you where your vehicle's been, which is actually quite handy. Pretty fast feedback on their phone. We're going to go into our audio real quick with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM if I am corrected, and Bluetooth. There's the SiriusXM, power flow since it's a little hybrid engine, update vehicles, clock, USB, all that jazz, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8435, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.